back to my channel.
Welcome back, I'm Tia, and I upload 4 times a week, Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, and Sunday. I do mostly synthetic wig related content here. We are multicultural, we are inclusive, so if you haven't subscribed, please do so. If you have, you're one of my little doll, baby's high doll.
Oh, baby high doll, baby high doll, baby high doll, baby high doll, baby.
So happy that you are here. Okay, I have a special video. I am bringing back an old wig, an old favorite, a popular wig, but I'm going to show her to you in 2 colors. Okay, this stuff that I have on my eyes right now is from Dose of Colors. This is their Smoky Soiree palette. Oh, so gorgeous. Look it. Look. So pretty. I have this brown color on, this all over my lid, and then these 2 are mixed on the bottom lash line. Oh, the little brush. So I'm really loving this palette. I have a bunch of palettes from Dose of Colors that I absolutely love. That is what I'm wearing on the eyes. Okay, so who are we talking about today? Today we have an oldie but goodie. This is Janet Collection's Moon, and it says that Moon is a deep part lace wig. She is a lace front wig. Okay, she is heat safe up to 380 degrees. This is the color Honey Blonde, which is a stunning color. It's a very popular color. She did come in a few colors, and I scooped up the Honey Blonde one from Wig Types for $24.95. I have done a video on this wig, and it was called 3 Phases of Moon. I'll put it up here. So I did it a long time ago, and I did Moon, Moonlight, and Super Moon. This wig reminds me so much of some of my favorite type of wigs. That was like Harlem 125. I think it was LSD 11 or something like that. Also Zuri's Raven. They were very similar wig styles. I did declutter a lot of them because, you know, I think like sometimes preferences changed, because I did a video where I didn't like them anymore, but now that I have her on, I'm liking her a lot. I did shift her a little bit. She can shift. She's meant to be shiftable. This color though is absolutely stunning. I am so sorry. It is so pretty, and I just really like this one. So I had to get her back into my collection, and since it's been a long time since I tried her, I just wanted to try her again. I did razor some sort of baby hair situation right around the front just to make it look a slightly more realistic, but you can see, like, she's just so gorgeous. Oh my gosh, I just feel really pretty when I wear this wig, especially these wigs in this color. And you could do so much with her for styling, so that's why I wanted to get her. I wanted to see what she would look like in this color. So this is Zur in the color number 2. So this is the one that I'm going to, since I already wore this other color, I'll be using her to get her together and show you what she can look like and what she looks at like straight out of the package. I got Moon in the color number 2 from Ms. Barn for $18. So you can see she is a lace front with the lace part, 2 combs in the front, comb in the back, adjustable straps. Okay, and so yeah, let me put her on, and then I will come back with some final thoughts. I do really think this is an oldie but goodie that you should check out because she's stunning. But let's go ahead and get her together, and then we will come back and talk. so this is her when I got her together. I have to say, I would have thought that the honey blonde was like my favorite, but I don't know. There's something about this wig in this color that I really, really love. And I was only going to keep one, and it was going to be the honey blonde because I loved it so much, but I don't know. I think that this darker one is the one that I'm going to keep. So what do you think? Do you like it in the black, or do you like it in the honey blonde? So I didn't make any baby hairs because I didn't really think this one needed it. I did add a little bit of powder to the parting area just to bring it in a little bit. If you haven't seen my video on realistic parting, I suggest you go look at it because it really is very eye-opening. It was very eye-opening to me. But yeah, oh my gosh. So this is there is a texture to this, but it's definitely multicultural. It's got a lot of hair. This is all the hair to the front. She does respond very nicely to a round brush. I would say she's in the 22-ish range. Isn't this the cutest dress ever? It's like so 1980s. It's actually a t-shirt dress. It's a dress. Let's look at her from the back. Oh, I can share it up with this hair.
From the back.
Yeah. I'm so like, seriously, where is my mirror? Oh yeah, I really like that. It's a really, really pretty. Movement is good. Absolutely. I just celebrated my year anniversary with my boyfriend, which is really cool. But then it's like I film these things and I'm like, why is he still with me? But it's funny, he loves this about me. He loves that I'm special. Yeah, I love her. I love her even more in the dark color, which is so strange to me because I'm just not usually one to like really dark hair. You know, I love my blondes, my ashy blondes, but I don't know, this is doing something to me. So you let me know, which color do you like the most on me? Which color do you think I should keep? Okay. Any wigs that I don't keep, I do list on my Poshmark, which is listed down below. Keep in mind that I do pre-film, so I suggest if there's wigs that you might want to purchase to follow my Poshmark because they potentially could be listed on my Poshmark before the video is out. But yeah, this is an oldie but goodie. This version was $18. Like, you just can't beat it. I'm just gonna film a separate video doing some styling, so you will see that. I'll make sure they I'll make sure they go up pretty similar time frame. But yeah, if you like these types of videos of sort of this like oldie but goodie 2-color comparison, let me know what you think. Okay, and if you haven't subscribed, please consider doing so and go ahead and hit the bell so that you get the notifications. I do upload 4 times a week, but often I do surprise uploads and just like events where I'm uploading a lot more. If you already said, if you haven't subscribed, please do so. If you have, thank you so much. I'll see you in the next video. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.